Come test drive the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, trip odometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.